is controlled in the UAE. In order to purchase alcohol for home consumption, you first have to obtain a liquor license. With your license, you can buy a limited quantity of alcohol per month from one of the two licensed companies, African and Eastern or Mercantile Maritime International. Both have numerous branches around Dubai. You can apply for your liquor license at any branch of A&E or MMI. The store will then process the application through the Dubai police. Usually the process takes 1 week to complete. When you receive your license, you'll be given a monthly quota, which is the amount of alcohol you are allowed to purchase in 1 month. The quota is based on your salary, age, job, and the size of your family.